How sonar works. Sonar uses ultrasound waves to construct a 3D model by sending an ultrasound pulse from the vessel to the seafloor. The pulse is then rebounded from the seafloor to the vessel. Once the vessel has picked up the wave, it can calculate the distance between the seafloor and the scan. If you combine many scans, you can create an accurate photo of the seafloor. And in this depiction, it shows a vessel, and that's its transductor, and the transductor is emitting a ultrasound pulse. And right here, that's the bottom of the seafloor. It gets rebounded or reflected, and the detector picks up the rebounded ultrasound pulse. What can sonar be used for? Sonar is very commonly used in the fishing industry to locate fish, and also the Navy to identify enemy submarines and other objects. Sonar can also be used by scientists to create nautical charts, and can also be used by sea rescue to identify shipwrecks. Waves. In order for a sonar scan to work, an ultrasound wave is shot out. Ultrasounds are most commonly used to determine the gender of a baby inside a pregnant mother. Sonar is a good instance of how a ship on the ocean can utilize the reflecting properties of sound waves to make out the depth of the seafloor. And here's a little diagram. That's the send receiver, reflected wave, distance, and object. And as you can see, it's sent out and reflected. How the waves are used to enable functionality. The transductor and detector both send and pick up the sound waves. The transductor sends out the wave, which then rebounds, and the detector collects the information of the sound waves, time of departure and time of arrival, then gets converted into a sonar map or uses a piece of data and then made into a map. Why is sonar so important? Sonar is important because you can map out the seafloor, explore sea wrecks, or see where sea wrecks have happened. You can effectively see underwater. You can prevent collisions out at sea, say with icebergs or large rocky terrain under the seafloor. And in that instance, in this instance, the submarine's using sonar to be able to detect the mines, which obviously it doesn't want to run into. One of its main uses in society is that it's used by many scientists and marine biologists. For example, NOAA, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, uses sonar regularly. Sonar is helpful for mapping the ocean because we can utilize the fact that sound waves travel further in the water than radar and light waves. Right. Thank you.